I go to Kennebunk High School and I'm a part of the Gulf of Maine Studies class. We're studying climate change and rising sea levels. We're measuring how much beaches erode. We always have to come so we're able to see the horizon first off, so it can't be too foggy or too cloudy. And also we come when it's low tide so we can get the most measurements we can. So we're using 2 sticks and we find the difference between both of the sticks and we measure up the second stick with the horizon, and the second one is like 3 meters away. This rope is about 3 meters. It should be a straight line from a number on the first stick to the top of the second stick to the horizon. And then that will give us either an elevation or a decrease in elevation. If it's a decrease in elevation, it tells us that the water has eroded much of the sand. We come out and do this 1 time every month, and then we're send it over to the state level. They've been doing it for like 40 years, and they have volunteers that do it, and so we're helping provide the information for them. Just doing this for 1 year is not going to show much. Over a long term of years, I feel like it'll show a lot of how the seas are indeed rising. When we first came here, there was a big pothole full of water, which was like at least 1 foot or 2 deep, and now that pothole is completely filled in with sand, and that was only a couple months.
We're just trying to see how much erosion has happened over time. You get out and see nature. It's not like a typical class environment.
You know, this is their backyard, this is their playground, and if you look at this beautiful beach, if we do nothing, if nothing changes, what you see as low tide will be totally underwater. The low tide zone will actually be where the high tide zone is now.
The effect of sea level rise will be to wipe this island off the map. The wave energy is unrestricted as it comes into shore, and it just gets amplified during a storm event.
Which, of course, there's many more.
Many more. They're more frequent.
It washes all the rocks up right through here, and right straight you can see where the replaced panels are. So all of these big rocks, as big as they are, get pushed up here from the water.
You know, this brings up the topic of coastal retreat.
Right.
When is enough enough? Students learn about climate change and environmental problems on a global scale, and sometimes students feel hopeless and they don't understand what their individual actions, how it can help the rainforest or Africa or the wildfires in Australia. But when they're learning about something in their community, that's different. They do feel like they can make a difference.